Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we're going to be talking about Organic Chaga Mushroom Tea. If mushrooms aren't your thing, don't click away quite yet, because this tea tastes nothing like mushrooms, but has an earthy cinnamon flavor with a spiced aroma. Let's talk about the 4 ingredients in this tea and what each of them does. This is the chaga mushroom in its natural habitat on the side of a birch tree. These mushrooms are indigenous to the Northern Hemisphere, and you can see them in the northeastern United States, Europe, Asia, and Canada. When cut open, these mushrooms have a beautiful burnt orange color and are used commonly in extracts, teas, and supplements. These are great antioxidants and also have incredible anti-inflammatory powers, which is why they came to be in their tea. The next ingredient is a caffeine-free herb from South Africa called rooibos. It has numerous health benefits and has 6 times as many antioxidants as green tea. The next ingredient is cinnamon. Studies show that cinnamon and its antioxidants have potent anti-inflammatory properties, along with adding a nice sweet and spicy aroma and flavor to this blend. The final ingredient in this blend is cacao nibs. Cacao nibs help stimulate the mind and increase mood, along with being full of antioxidants and delicious chocolatey rich flavor. Now I'm going to show you how to make a delicious brown sugar tea latte with our chaga mushroom tea. To start off, I'm going to take the infuser basket out of my teapot and put about a teaspoon of brown sugar in the bottom of the teapot before replacing the basket back in and adding 3 teaspoons of my organic chaga mushroom tea. Next, I'm going to add about 8 ounces of hot water and allow this to steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Once that's ready, I'm going to add this tea to a cup about 3/4 of the way full, and then add some frothed oat milk on top. Finally, I'm going to top it with a little cinnamon for a little extra flavor, and this is very similar to a delicious chai tea latte, nice and spiced and cinnamony and a bit sweet. Thank you so much for watching Tea of the Week this week. We hope you'll join us next week as well for our next installment. And if you're interested in checking out any of the products or any of the other things we carry, our website will be linked below, but you can go to fullleafteacompany.com. We've always got sales going on and other fun stuff.